actually, I want to try the same exact problem, but instead of using tiles, we're going to use the box to solve it, okay? So since I have a binomial which has 2 terms and another binomial which has 2 terms, that means I need a 2 by 2 box. So I'm going to draw myself a 2 by 2 box. And maybe yours doesn't need to be this big, but this is how I like it. And I'm going to put x plus 3. Remember, I'm doing each term, right? So in here, I have an x and a plus 3. In here, I have an x and a plus 3. And again, it doesn't matter where I put them. In this case, it really doesn't matter. Now I'm going to start multiplying, okay? So I have x times x is x squared. 3 times x is 3x. X times 3 is also 3x. And 3 times 3 is positive 9. And I'm going to put plus signs on, or minus signs on all of these, okay? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite that, okay? X squared plus 3x plus 3x plus 9. Now notice, if I look, I've got like terms right here in the middle. They also are right here in my model. So I'm just going to combine those terms. So I have an x squared and 6x's and 9, which is the exact same answer as I got right there. Okay? Let's try another one. This time, I want you to try this one. Okay, the next one that we're going to try, we're going to put 2 more on this page. The next one we're going to try is a little trickier. 3x minus 7 times x plus 4. Remember, I have 2 terms by 2 terms, so my box needs to be 2 by 2. So take a moment and see if you can figure out what the answer to this question is. Remember, if you do an exponent 2, you can just do the little caret 2, or you can do squared. Okay, take a moment. All right, so I'm going to draw myself a box. Again, you can draw it as big as you need to, take up as much space as you want to. It doesn't matter where I put the 3x minus 7. I chose to put it up here. You could have put it down here. If you did, you'll wind up in the same place as I do. Okay? We'll get the same answer. Remember, the sign goes with the term. It doesn't go in the middle. It goes with the term. Okay? So I'm going to put my invisible 1 here because remember, we're going to do buckets. We're going to multiply all of our same things together. 3 times 1 is 3. X times x is x squared. Negative 7 times 1 is negative 7, and those are x's. 3 times 4 is 12 x's. Negative 7 times 4 is negative 28. Okay? Now, I'm going to combine these terms. If you want to rewrite them, 3x squared minus 7x plus 12x minus 28, you can. If you can see right here that the difference between 12 and negative 7 is 5, that's fine too. Either way, we're going to combine these terms and we get 3x squared plus 5x minus 28. And that is the solution to this problem.